What's going on, everybody? David here. So I have some exciting news. I reached 100,000 subscribers, so you guys probably already knew that, but I got the silver play button. So we're getting ready to open this up, and I'm really excited about this. This is one of those things that it happened, but I didn't think it was going to happen so soon. And so I'm just, I don't know what to say. Like I don't know how to explain the excitement that I have right now. I needed to. I've had it for about a week and a half, and I needed to get my overhead rig set up and all that. So everything is set up. So now I can do the proper unboxing, and this is one of those things I didn't expect it. I didn't expect for this to happen this soon. I actually started my channel in 2011, believe it or not, 2011. So 9 years. 9 years ago, I started. It was going to be a photography channel because at the time I just learned how to take pictures and I wanted to share my experiences. And so that's what the channel was going to be all about. So I put a couple of videos out, didn't think too much of it at the time, just put a couple of videos out and left them alone. And a couple of years later, because I'm telling you, I put out maybe 5 or 6 videos. A couple of years later, those videos were doing really well. And so from that point, I started thinking, you know what? Let me put out some more videos, see what happens. So I put out some more videos and they did okay. And I never got videos to do as well as my first couple of videos. My first couple of videos, I did one video. It was a wireless remote, and that video just took off. And now I think it's at like 500,000 views or something like that. And so at that point, I said, okay, well, let's see what other videos I can put out. So I started putting out some different videos. I started traveling. So I started putting out videos where I was traveling. And then I got to the point where I started using credit cards, points. And when I started using the credit card points, I started using that to travel. And I wanted to share that experience with people because I just thought it was crazy that I was able to travel to all these different places and it was costing me like $80 cash out of pocket, and then I was using points for the flight and the hotel. And so that was just amazing to me. So then I started sharing that experience, and I did that for probably about 4 years ago. I started doing that, and that's what I started to pick up when it came to subscribers. I got to 10,000 subscribers. That was February of this year. Late February. So like late February, March 1st, around there, that's when I hit the 10,000. And I remember I was in Colombia at the time, and I didn't have cell service where I was. I was way out in a remote area in La Guajira, Colombia. And I didn't have service, so I didn't know when I actually hit the 10,000. But on our way back, I saw, once I started getting service, I saw that I hit 10,000. I'm sitting in the car, and I was with Maya Afro Guajira. She's a YouTuber too. You guys should check her channel out. She's got some good content about Colombia. Anyway, we're in the car and I show her, I'm all excited. I hit 10,000 subscribers, and it was just an amazing experience. And then fast forward to today, which is July 16th, and I'm at 100,000 subscribers. And so what happened, what transpired in that time is we obviously we're in COVID-19 right now. So we had the COVID-19 situation, and they started talking about stimulus checks and things like that. And so I put some videos out about that, and those videos really took off. And so then I put a couple more videos out, and those videos really took off. And so then I started saying, you know what, I'm going to do daily videos. This is the first time I've ever done daily videos of any sort. So on March 27th, that's when I put out the first stimulus check video. And like I said, I start doing daily videos. And by May 16th, that's when I hit 100,000 subscribers. And I didn't know what to do. I'm like, I can't believe that in less than 60 days, I went over 100,000 subscribers. And then from that point, then it was kind of the waiting game. And I didn't know how YouTube works. And I'm gonna explain that to you guys right now. So initially, I just thought you just wait, and then they would notify you and let you know that you received a silver play button. And so I waited about 3 weeks, nothing happened. Then I waited to that 4th week, and then I started looking online looking on YouTube to see how you go about getting a silver play button. And so what I found out is you have to contact them. And in most cases, you'll have to contact them. If you want to get it faster than just waiting for them to find you, you have to contact them. So I contacted them through chat and just let them know, hey, I'm over 100,000 subscribers. What do I need to do at this point? And so what they did is they checked to see that I was over 100,000 subscribers, and then they do a little bit of, and I don't know if they did it right there at the chat because it didn't take that long. It was about 5-minute chat. So they wanted to verify that I reached 100,000, and then they send it over to like the awards department, and then they do more research. They just wanted to make sure it's legit, that you have legit subscribers and all that. And so from that point, then they just let you know, okay, we'll be sending out some information to you, and they send you a code. And that code it'll send you a code and the link. And you just click on the link. It'll take you over to a web page. You put in the code, and then you can put your name. Travel Explorer Click is what I put, obviously. And then they will mail it out to you. And they mailed it out to me fast. So it was no more than 4 days from the time that I mailed it and the time that I actually received it. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get this thing open. All right, so here we are. I have the overhead screen, and let's go ahead and cut this open and see what's inside. So like I said, this came a lot sooner than I thought. I didn't think I'd be opening up a play button anytime soon, but yeah, I'm excited about it. So let's go ahead and get this open. Broke my scissors there. All right. So here we go. All right. Okay, let's lift it right there. Okay. So let me make sure you guys can see what I'm seeing. So has a little foam over the top there. Then you have this nice little letter that's on real thick paper here. And this is from the CEO of YouTube. And then they have this little card here. And Rick, everybody that I've seen so far, they all get this. And it's always Rick who inspected it. So I guess Rick is doing a lot of work in that warehouse there. All right, so here is the play button. So that's it in the plastic there. Let's go ahead and fill this up. I don't want to get my fingerprints all on it. I still don't know where I'm putting this play button. But wow, that is nice. That is nice. Travel, explore, click. 100,000 subscribers. Wow. Wow, I like it. Oh, hit my little mic there. Then you have the two little holes there so you can hang it up. I think I'm actually going to hang it right over on the side here. You guys can see right there in the back corner. I'll probably put it right back there. I think that'll be a nice place for it. But yeah, you know, I really want to take some time right now and just say thank you. I mean, I appreciate all the support. This has been an amazing ride. And, you know, I want to do as much as possible to make everyone happy. You know, I had a discussion with someone we have a Discord group. And if you guys aren't a part of the Discord group, you want to join, I'll have a link in the description. But this individual was a little upset because I was talking about credit card stuff for a while, and then I moved into the stimulus check stuff. I will go back and what I want to make the channel about is I want to talk about personal finance. So I want to help people. That's ultimately what I want to do. And the whole reason that I went to the credit cards and the travel credit cards is because I saw it as an opportunity to share my experience with people as far as traveling. I was able, and I'm still able to travel, not right this second, but I'm able to travel anywhere that I want to travel to. I can afford to do it using points. And so I wanted to share that experience. That's the whole reason for talking about the credit card points. And so I also found, you know, I was able to share information when it came to stimulus checks and the stimulus package and bringing my knowledge when it comes to the political process. So all that stuff, I like to share knowledge with people. And so once the stimulus check stuff starts to die down a little bit, then we will be going back into some more personal finance stuff. And I am going to just try to, you know, provide as much information that I can to you guys so you guys can learn from me and I can learn from you. So that's ultimately the goal of my channel. It's always been that. Even when it was back with the photography stuff, I wanted to teach people about photography. And so I'm just really appreciative of all the support. I really, really appreciate it. And I don't know, a million? When are we going to get to 1 million? I don't know. So this has all been a very humbling experience. And I'm so happy, so happy with the supporters and It's just making me, I never even thought I'd be in front of a camera, first off. And then to be in front of a camera and actually have over 100,000 people that are subscribed to me and watching my content is just, it just baffles my mind. I'm just amazed and like I said, very, very humbling, very, very humbling experience to have this. But anyway, I got it. Let me put it up so you guys can see it. Silver play button. So to 1 million, we're on our way. All right, guys, subscribe to the channel so we can get to that 1 million, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.